Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about there is something called as Monday disease. So what is this Monday disease? So Monday disease is here the workers will experience severe headache and also postural weakness. The workers will experience severe headache and postural weakness, especially in the first few days of week. Why? First few days of week. Okay, this is mainly for nitroglycerin. Nitroglycerin occupational exposure will result in this Monday disease. So what do we do is there is continuous exposure over the week. Because there is continuous exposure over the week, the tolerance develops and thus the symptoms will decrease. Okay, and whenever there are weekends or if there are holidays, these will work as a nitrate free interval, and because they work as nitrate free interval, so the symptoms will exacerbate on Monday or holiday. If the severe form of this Monday disease results in nitrate dependence, where 1 to 3 days away from work environment will mimic the withdrawal of the drug. It is like sudden withdrawal of the drug, like the patients are the occupational workers are taking the nitrates every day for a week, and over once they develop nitrate dependence, and if they are away 1 to 3 days from the work environment, this would result in acute coronary syndromes. Okay, so this is about the Monday disease. Thank you for watching.
Thank you and thank you for watching.